Hey guys, did you microwave? No, I'm about to microwave it now. I'm mixing the bleach and then I'm gonna microwave it. Yes, microwave. I'm gonna show you guys because I know sometimes you guys be wanting to do stuff but you scared that you fuck up your weight. So I always tell you use me as the guinea pig. So I'm gonna do it. It's super easy. You just gotta be careful. Make sure you take out anything metal out of your wig. I take out the clips because I don't know, I don't trust it. But as you guys know, I never bleach my knots. I always tell you guys that I never bleach my knots. Only when I started living in Costa Rica, I bleached my knots because the makeup, because over here is hot. So, shit, this is too lit. I'm watery. It's hot over here, so the makeup wouldn't last on my wigs. You know, not that it wouldn't last, but you start sweating. And then it's a dead giveaway that you got on a wig. And it's mad uncomfortable having, you know, your makeup drip down off your head. It's just disgusting. So I had to bleach my knots on over here. But you guys know I'm lazy. And I don't like to wait for the bleaching process and all that stuff. So here's a quick, easy posh hack. And this has to be thick. This is a little too. Okay. Let me take off the, I'm looking real crazy. I'm looking real crazy. My sister's coming, guys. I'm not gonna be lonely no more. This is how you take off the combs without ripping your wig. 1, 2, 3. So make sure you don't have nothing metal or remotely dangerous that could blow up the microwave. I even cut these off. I don't use those anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. But I don't use these. I don't use those. I don't use the combs. I don't like anything on my head besides my wig. Okay, so it's nothing dangerous inside of it. And we are going to, all right. This is the bleach I'm using today. This is the first time I'm trying this. I never used this one. This was the only one that I was able to get in time before I was coming back to Costa Rica. So I ordered it. So we're gonna see how it works. I normally use the blonde bleach, the one in the gold can. That's my favorite. Oh, I still have the lace on my hand too, by the way. So let me do that. All right, so this is ready. Oh, I hate the fucking smell of bleach. I hate it. 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 A little bit more. Fucking dried up mad fast. I could already tell I don't like this bleach. It got mad cakey so fast. Damn. Okay, so That's on. Now let's take her to the microwave. All right, the microwave. Hi guys. No, don't pull on my hair if I kick you. Move. No necesito. No.
Ay, yo creí que era agua.
I need something to put this on. To put this.
Me voy.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 30 seconds first. Let me back up. We're gonna do 30 seconds first, and then we're gonna check it and then do another 30 if it needs to be more. No babe, I don't install wigs. I mean I do, but not to clients. All right. It's foaming. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's foaming. That's okay. Let it go down and then let it finish. Every time I do this, I still be scared. I run away from the microwave because I don't want it to blow up. All right. So it foam and then it's gonna go down and then I'm gonna put it back in because it's not ready yet. But I'll show you. Huh? No necesito. Sí, but el baño. Don't use nothing metal. Use something plastic. No, este. Use something plastic to check the nuts. All right, look like. Let me check from the front. Hold on, let me see. All right, no, it needs, you see? So you see, hold on. You see this part right here took the bleach, but this part didn't. So I'm gonna put it in for 5 more seconds. Cause I want, oh motherfucker, it's gonna go on my hair, but it's okay. Because I want the whole thing. Well, that's the bottom, hold on. Yeah, it took, you see? I don't need to bleach it anymore, actually. I don't need to put it back in the microwave. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Cause let me see where this part. I'm gonna do it for 5 seconds, 5 more seconds. You normally don't have to, but I want everything to be bleached. So I'm gonna do it for 5 seconds. Start. All right, that's it. Now we're gonna wash it out and you're just gonna see how it looks. All right. Wash this baby out. Could y'all see? No. So if you're doing customers or you got a lot of customers to do or whatever, and you don't feel like waiting for their bleach, boom. But you just gotta be careful. Like, don't put it in for like a whole minute, cause you see, it was only 30 seconds and look how perfectly it fucking bleached. So you don't have to leave it for a long time. And you don't have to wait no more 45 minutes, putting your phone timer on and all that bullshit. You could just do it this way. And if it wasn't giving skin before, sis, it's definitely giving skin now. So look at that. Like, ugh, this is just like sex. Hold on. Like, this is sex. That's on my finger, the white part of my finger. And now it's on the dark part of my finger. So I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm going to install it on my head so you guys can see how it looks. And I'm gonna, this is my Dare Deep Curl. I'm gonna show you how it goes straight. So I'm gonna go on live after I finish rinsing this out. I'm probably gonna I'm not gonna, yeah, I'm gonna blow it out because I'm gonna have to install it, and then I'll be right back.